According to the rating by rating agency Malaysia, the leading credit rating and risk analysis firm, Malaysia is evolving into a sustainable, responsible investment hub, supported by its prominent global presence in Islamic finance.
The rating agency said on Tuesday, the proactive efforts and strong commitments of Central Bank, Bank Negara Malaysia, Security Commission, and capital market firm Bursa Malaysia have paved the way for both responsible and green finance to serve in Malaysia.
According to publicly available data from the Security Commission, 6 sustainably responsible investments or green bonds and Sukuk program with cumulative value of $1.02 billion were issued in a 9 months of period between July 27, 2017 and April 27 of 2018.
Rating agency Malaysia said the sustainably responsible investment market is also bolstered by growing number of domestic and international investors that are actively engaging with corporates on environment, social, and governance issues.
Let's have a look of Pramod Das' speech, the Deputy Chief Executive Officer of Rating Agency Malaysia, at the Sustainable Investment Roundtable on July 16, which was hosted by the Security Commissions.
It's increasingly more investors are factoring environment, social, and governance into their analysis and as part of best practices, and this is driving demand for sustainably responsible investment. This trend is evident from the rise in the number of signatories to the United Nations supported principle for responsible investments, from only 63 at April in 2006 to 1,961 at end of the April 2018. This global swell in principle for responsible investment signatories translate into a surge in assets under management from 6.5 to 81.7 trillion US dollars over the same period.
The world's largest pension fund, such as Japan's government pension investment fund, that is also a principle of responsible investment signatories, allocated $8.9 billion of funds to sustainably responsible investment.
This represents about 3% of government's pension investment fund portfolio of Japanese stocks. The GPRF, which is $1.4 trillion asset under management, also indicates that in the medium term, the funds could increase its investments in companies which commendable environment, social governance practices.
These examples of sustainably responsible investments market leadership may prompt other investors and institutions to follow.
On May 26, 2016, Rating Agency Malaysia joined the global lineup for 6 pioneer credit rating agency signatories to Principle for Responsible Investment Statement on environment, social governance in credit rating.
Rating Agency Malaysia's sister company, RAM Consultancy Services Berhad, is the first association of Southeast Asian nations-based provider of sustainability ratings and second opinion on green bonds and Sukuk. Thanks for watching, and that's all for today.